Ayurveda for Everyday Health. Ayurveda is a guiding light for those who seek greater harmony with themselves, their loved ones, and the world at large. Mother Maya Tiwari. How have you been? I sincerely hope that this message finds you well. Have you been able to get out into nature this summer to reconnect with the elements and yourself? I am a great believer in the healing power of nature, and whenever I get a chance, I head to the beach to get some vitamin D and to have a nice cold splash in the North Sea. The long sandy beaches north of Aberdeen always take my breath away, and I'm surprised by how few people there are. It's so peaceful and expansive. And as you know, I'm a firm believer that by focusing on expansion, well-being will become a natural byproduct. I have worked in the field of Ayurveda, an ancient system of natural and holistic medicine from India, for over 35 years, and I'm pleased to say that it is gradually becoming better known in the UK and other Western countries, although there's still a long way to go. I recently ran a workshop in Aberdeenshire on Ayurveda for Everyday Health, and I wanted to share with you my experience and the thoughts that came to me afterwards. Focus on expansion, and well-being will be a natural byproduct. I expected the workshop to attract people from the local area who have an interest in personal well-being, but do not necessarily have careers connected with health and medicine. Quite the reverse was true. Among the attendees were nurses and former nurses from Glasgow and medical doctors from Aberdeen and Dundee. What I learned was that there is a greater need than ever for Western medicine and ancient systems of holistic medicine such as Ayurveda to collaborate and to find common ground in support of the well-being of all. It is easy to treat our symptoms, but harder to treat ourselves as whole beings in a holistic way, so that the root causes of our malaise can be explored and healed. Ayurveda invites us to take ourselves out of the box we have been squeezed into, or perhaps squeezed ourselves into, to discover who we are beyond our labels and preconceptions. It is time for us to think of our health as part of a bigger picture. Ayurveda can help us to make sense of that picture, informing our lives with the wisdom of the ancients, as we also take advantage of modern medical interventions that are available to us. If you would like to watch the recording of the workshop, you can purchase access to the recording from my website. You can also watch the preview of the workshop below.